Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. I do have another unboxing for you. If I show you this side, you might know what it is. It is another Portland Leather Goods mystery unboxing. I'm over here. Over this. Thank you. Alright, just to show you it's a true unboxing, I'm opening up that last piece there. Cover that so you can't see my address, but it's a mystery box. I stalked the website, let's be honest, but I saw they were having mystery boxes, and a couple of sweet subscribers also let me know that they had some mystery boxes that were available. So I quick ran over there. I really like the mini crossbodies.
Did you really run?
No, I didn't run. I guess I didn't have to run to get there, but I really like the mini crossbodies. So one of these times I'm gonna go a little out of my comfort zone and just get the mystery box that are totes, where you can get anything. But this time I had to go with my mini crossbodies again. So I was talking to my husband, cameraman, whatever, and just saying that I hoped that it'd be phenomenal if I didn't have either one of these. I'm prepared to think that I'll probably have at least one. And I'm really hoping, even though there's only two, that maybe one is a unicorn that I don't have. So,
without further ado.
Right. I'm going to open this one first. Set the box down. Feels like some of the littles are in here. It's one of the mystery boxes that have the littles in there. At first I thought this was Satsuma again, but it's not. Oh my gosh. This is awesome.
What color is that?
That's a good question. I don't know. Is it maybe flamingo, or I don't believe it's sugar, because I think sugar's the red here. This has got more pink in it. I don't know the color, but I like it. I don't have anything like it. This is awesome.
So is that what they'd call a unicorn bag?
I would say so, yes. So this is a mini crossbody. It does not have a zipper. Is
the horn on your side?
What?
The horn. The unicorn.
No. It's a mini crossbody.
Oh.
And it looks like this is kind of a pinky color, and the inside looks kind of pinky.
Like Tuscadero?
No, not like Pinky Tuscadero. Not everybody will know who that is, but...
You're showing your age.
Yeah, you said it. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I absolutely love this. So, is it flamingo, maybe?
I hope you're not asking me.
I'm not.
Okay.
And,
please comment below on what the color actually is. Thank you.
Thank you. Just thank you guys. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, you get to see the face behind the mouth, behind the camera. Oh, this is just awesome. I'm so excited. Okay. So here we're going to go with our first bunch of littles. I don't remember how many you get with the two.
Is it a 2 and 5?
Maybe 2 and 5? Look at that. Now, wasn't that nice if you know more than I do about it? That says something.
That's awkward.
Yeah, it is.
There's 30. I don't know.
All right. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Got my first little one. And it is... Oh, nice. Oh, I love these. It's the little, like, card holder pouch thing. Man, now I want to guess this is Satsuma as well. It almost feels like it, but it's almost like a little stiffer than my bag is, because there's that. They're kind of close, but I'm not sold that that's what that is, but I absolutely love this. I do not have this color, and I am super excited about that. Yay! All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, there we go. think that I could have enough of this color.
What color is it?
Okay, I don't know the official name, but I'm going to say lavender. Because I absolutely love this. And this has really big pebbles on it.
We're going to have to get your cue cards with
this is cool. Like, do I have one that's similar to this, but it's not like this? This is gorgeous. And the pebbling is so nice. So let's see. I think it's just stuffed. I was like, is there another little in here? I don't think so. I think it's just stuffed. Very nice stuff. I'm going to just toss that off the side there. All right, and there is another thing in here. Wow, sweet. Put that right there.
Good color so far.
Yeah. I'm not 100% sure what this is. Well, I shouldn't know till I open it. Okay. I think. Yes, this is a passport holder. So this is cool. I keep bothering my husband to get a passport. I bought a passport holder already in, I think it's Lagoon. Look at, I scratched it already. Let me fix it. There, see, can't hardly tell. But I've been telling him to get, he can't tell at all. I've been telling him to get a passport, so this would actually be perfect. A perfect passport color. Hint, 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 hint. And again, color.
Where are we going?
I got no clue. This color, maybe. Where are we going? I'm thinking Canada.
Eh?
Yeah, yes. All right, now, I've been so excited about all these things and so happy. Am I going to be that happy with this one? So I don't think it's going to be a unicorn.
Neutral?
And I hope it's not a color that I already have, which is kind of hard to do.
Really hard. No cheating.
This is awesome. Oh my gosh. So, look at, I do not have this color in my minis. It's not that color either because that's lava.
Is that a dark
Or
brown
no,
or?
that's lava. It could be this color, but I don't have it in my minis. Oh my gosh, I got two that I don't have, and this one's a zipper. I did know the colors before a lot better, and now all of a sudden the more bags I have, the less I know the colors. That's not good.
I know it's been a week since you got some, so I understand that.
Right? Yeah. So this is awesome. Oh my gosh. So it's the same color as this. Is that cognac? I want to say it's cognac. I'm pretty sure that's the same color as that. And that would be cognac, I believe. Because, see, I've been thinking about getting a grizzly, if they have it. Because that's really dark brown. But this is sweet. Oh my gosh. I can't even believe it. What are the odds that I got two that I don't have? I guess I was kind of hoping for that, but... And then I was thinking, oh, I just got that deep water. I'm like, let's see, watch them throw a deep water in there. But I'm like, I don't think I've ever seen that in a box. So I am super, super pleased. That is fantastic. The zippered, oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's cognac. Pretty sure.
I don't think there's a Y in there.
Cognac, 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 cognac.
Not Coney Dog.
See what it's like living with somebody who's constantly hounding you for how you pronounce things? Like hostage?
Where's the off button?
Right.
So little number 4.
Yeah. And I'm a little lost. These could be a couple of different things. I suppose they all... Oh, wait. There's even more. Oh, okay. I got a little tassel. Okay, this is cute. This is different than the other ones I have, and this almost looks like a boysenberry. Yep, I'd say boysenberry, spot on, which is sweet because, like, look at, you can throw it with some of these other ones. It'll look fantastic. So you must get 6 with this.
Wow.
Who knew? 2 and 6. Oh, one of these pouches, and I don't know this color either. I am just batting 1,000. This is not Zoolander.
For someone who spends 8 hours a night on their website.
I know, it's metallic, but oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love this. Just look at that. So far, what is that now? 5, 7 items, and they've all been fantastic. So what are we going to have here? I hope it's what I think it is. It is. Oh my God.
Another journal?
Yes, but a bigger one than the other 2 ones I have. I have a lavender colored one, but it's not quite lavender. And is this reef or?
The other ones were college rolled. This is wide rolled?
No.
Okay.
This one's just bigger than the other ones. And again, with the color. Okay. It's maybe reef. This might be reef. This is awesome. You like getting these on the website, they always just have brown. I don't want a brown journal. I want any other color but brown in my journal. And
butt brown?
No, not butt brown.
You said it, not me.
You caught it. So this is just awesome. Like it's kind of a greenish blue color, but yeah, it's not like, again, okay, is this reef? Is that lagoon? Okay, I'm getting mixed up, but it's close like that. Stop laughing. All right, so this was a phenomenal box. I mean, just fantastic. I absolutely loved everything I got. I am so excited. I can't even believe it. This is just incredible. Maybe this is sugar. No, it's not sugar. I don't think it's sugar. I am so excited.
Is it saccharin?
No.
Aspartame?
So anyways, that's what I got for you today to show you. Portland leather goods. Can't say enough good things about them. Absolutely love them. And it's really fun to be able to get, first off, they have a fantastic, like credit every time you spend money, you get points and the points add up. And, then you can spend them. And so, I like that. Like towards this, I used a $50 credit. Never mind how much you have to spend to get $50 in credit. And, I absolutely, love the prices and love the fun of the mystery boxes. I'm certainly not done with mystery box buying stuff. His eyes are like about ready to pop out of his head. Not done with buying because I just really enjoy these. I think it's super fun. It's like a birthday present all wrapped up for you. It's so nice how they do that as well. So everything is a surprise. You never know what color you're going to get. I've had very few duplicates. I've set aside the duplicates I have, and I can think of one mini crossbody and honeycomb is a duplicate. That's the only bag I've gotten that's a duplicate. And maybe 1 or 2 of the littles, but that's about it. So I am just super excited. This was a phenomenal box. Of course, I like most of my boxes, so yeah, it's just, I was just gonna say, Winnie, don't go anywhere with that, what I just said, but yeah, I am just super pleased. So that's my unboxing for you today. I don't think I'll have another unboxing for a little while now, so probably see some other videos and things coming up with some comparisons and what fits and things like that. If you're not already subscribed, come on, subscribe. Don't you want to see the man behind the camera? I know you do. And in fact, I had some subscribers tell me that they want to start a grassroots effort to get more people to subscribe to my channel, just so that my cameraman has to show his face on camera. So yeah, whatever it takes. I'm all about that. And but no, seriously, subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. For those of you who have been with me, thank you so much. Thank you for sticking by me, putting up with me, us, and all that. You can find me over on Instagram. I'm at Jame_S_Jam, James Jam. And again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.